Okay, let's do a little walk through here. Here's the garage. As you can see, everything that we have going on in here. It's a bit in shambles, but it's because we're working constantly with it. So we'll go through and we've entered the house here. As you can see, in each one of these rooms, we've got a lot going on here, and we've got this going on in here. All up the hall, we've got the shiplap. Everything looks pretty good on these walls here. We've really been concentrating a lot on this living room. This is the most surface area room to get everything done. We've got all this insulation done up top. We've got solar board done on the sides and on these walls here. Kind of pan around to them a little bit, that way you can kind of see. And then we have the upstairs. The upstairs we really haven't done a ton to as of late. We'll walk up these steps. These are just makeshift treads right now. I don't want to mess up my good treads that I have made. So we'll walk up here and take a look, see. And, ooh, the top was loose. Okay. As you can see, here's the top. We've got the grid there. We've got to put more wood across here and across here. But we'll walk into here. It's hard to kind of see, but this is the top area. We've got this as dry storage. I'm gonna put door openings in there where I can get into that, store things later on. Probably gonna put a wall about right here, halfway, to make the back half an office area and the front half a seating area. So yeah, that's kind of the plan for everything. So right now we're just working whenever we're able to. It's summertime, so we're able to get a little bit more help right now. Well, I say we're getting close to the point where we're going to be able to get more help. Get down those steps because a lot of people are in school or school teachers, so it's harder for them to get off and everything. But during the summer, it's nice because my father's a school teacher also, so it helps a lot, him being able to do that. But he's off for a decent amount during the summer, so it does help out to be able to do a lot of the work and everything with him. So that's kind of what we're hoping to accomplish this summer. We've got a lot of that insulation back in the living room area done. So yeah, that's kind of the plan that we've got going on. This is the workshop. This is where a lot of the stuff's going on. We've got to organize this, and we're slowly but surely getting everything where we want it organized. There's just so much to do, but we've also got so many tools, so much crap. We just got stuff everywhere. So, but we're just trying to get everything squared away and done, doing it best we can, as fast as we can, with me working full time and with my dad being a school teacher. Being out now, maybe we'll be able to get a little bit more work done on the weekends, and he can do a little bit during the weeks. So, but yeah, that's kind of where we're at right now. So stay tuned. We'll keep y'all updated. Also too, we've started a link tree that's got our Amazon store on it, and it's got all the every link to every social, everything that we have: TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Amazon storefront. We've got all those things, and anything that you see that we use tool-wise, I'm trying to put on the Amazon site for you to use as an affiliate link. It helps support the farm a little bit. It doesn't cost any more for you when you buy the product, same price that Amazon charges, but it does give us a little percentage, and it kind of helps us to try to maintain as much of this as we possibly can. Every little bit helps. If we can build a little bit more by that, then we're gonna try our best to do that. So, but yeah, so do that. Oh, and also on the link tree we have our Udemy site. If you're interested in automotive, there's a bunch of our automotive classes that we have set up on there. The link is in the description. You'll see, just click on the link tree and it'll bring it to you on your phone or on a desktop computer. We'll have it set up where you can just click on the link. It takes you straight to our page. You can see all the courses we have on Udemy, and of course all the storefronts, everything like that. So y'all stay tuned, and we'll try to keep you updated.